So just think, here he comes, gain space. Left slides back, turn out and drop the right. Hit. Then
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
So on the right lead, again, make sure you're not too linear, step out. So angle one, hit. Angle one, whoosh, comes down. Now on the angle two, the big thing is this step out. The step out and the expression. So don't turn or angle, just step out, right? So we got 1, 2, and hold that expression out. Don't roll back into it. Now, if there's a guy, an attacker coming this way, all my weight's in my right now. So I can't just drop this back. So the left slides back first. So just think, here he comes, gain space. Left slides back, turn out and drop the right. Hit. Then as he hits, he recoils, I explode forward and full step into my final hit. Okay, so slow. 1, 2, slide, hit 1. Step, explode, and time. Okay? From the left side, same thing, only reversed. 1, step out. 1, 2. Now the attacker comes in from my right. Slide my right. Step left back, hit 1. Explode forward and hit 2. We'll do it one more time from the left. Okay, so 1, step out 2. Slide my right away. And hit. Step forward. And hold.